When you first started building your very own job servicing business, everything seems so intimidating. You need to design the marketing materials, your company logo, and many more. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my 5 free online tools to help you build your job servicing business. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies, and tools for building your profitable online business, just like this one. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 free online tools that help me in building my job servicing business. My very first free online tool that I use it very often is none other than Canva.com. I use this on a daily basis and I use them for my social media, for my online businesses, and especially my job servicing business. I need to create a lot of designs and also marketing materials for my job servicing business. I love using Canva because it has so many ready templates for me. So what I need to do is just need to change around the color and also modify the text that I want to put on my images. So it is so easy to do. Usually I take less than 5 minutes just to come up with one image. And for my job servicing business, most of my marketing materials I will use Canva to design. It saves me a lot of time because it has the ready template. Besides using Canva for my marketing material, I also use it to design my logo. My logo, the creative guys, this is a very simple design and I come up with this design in literally less than 5 minutes. So if you are a beginner in job servicing business and you want to have your own branding, you can totally go to Canva.com and design yourself one. The next thing I love about Canva is there's many free stock photos readily available on their site. Speaking of free stock photos, I often use 2 sites, which is the Pixar.com as well as Pexels.com, to get my free stock photos as well as free stock videos. I love using videos to illustrate my message on my social media as well as on my business. When I'm promoting my job servicing products, I like to convey my message in video. All these free stock videos look very professional and it is free to use. Their library is massive. I can find all kinds of photos and all kinds of videos in these 2 sites. There will be more resources at the end of the video, so make sure that you stick till the end. All the online tools that I've mentioned in today's video, I'll be leaving them in the description box below, so make sure that you check them out. In job servicing business, our main product is to promote services and the end product is often in file forms. So for example, I love to do video editing services and the files are usually in MP4 or MOV. And the file can get pretty big. So here is another free online tool that I love to use, and that is WeTransfer.com. So WeTransfer.com is web-based and you do not need to have an account to start using them. Meaning to say you do not even need to sign in or sign up for you to start using WeTransfer. However, there will be a file size limit of 2 gig. Using WeTransfer is super easy. It only involves 2 steps. Step 1, upload the file. Step 2, get the link. And that's it. You just need to send the link to your customer and your customer will be able to download from the link that you send to him or her. The next free online tool that I want to recommend to you is super cool because it saves me a lot of time. This task that it helped me to do is helping me to create short promotional video. This free online tool is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is web-based. You just need to create an account and it is free to use. It only limits you to 5 videos per month, but to me, 5 a month is good enough. Lumen 5 helps you to create videos in a matter of minutes. I'm gonna demonstrate to you later on how I made this video.
On Lumen 5 website, you need to click Create Video. I like to choose Use a Script so I can add text to my video. I've prepared a script on my notes, so I just need to copy and paste. For the format, I like to choose YouTube because it is the landscape format. Lastly, for the theme, you can choose any of it. I like the classic one.
A few moments later.
On Lumen 5 platform, you can get free music, free video, free photos, and the next best thing is it will also automatically create a video for you.
These are the text that I pasted on the script segment. I love how I can highlight the text to help enhance my message. Everything is customizable. See how they help to auto-suggest the videos or the images to each line of script. You can change up the videos here by selecting different videos in their library. Select the image that you want and then you just need to replace it. Click Preview or Publish and you are good to go.
The only downside for using the free version is that it will have a watermark at the end of the video. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove that watermark for free in my next free online tool. My next free online tool that I often use for my job servicing business is a video editor. And this video editor is an application on my phone. So video editor is very important to me because I need to put watermark on my portfolios, because when I have clients that inquire about my video editing services and they want to see my previous jobs done, I need to send them some snippets of the videos. So the videos I will often put on watermarks. So right now I'm going to show you on my phone how I put on the watermark, and I'm going to show you how I remove the watermark from the Lumen 5 video that we have made previously. My 5 free online tools that have been helping me on my job servicing business. I hope you guys give them a try, and I hope these 5 online tools are helpful to grow your job servicing business. If you have any questions about today's topic, feel free to leave them down on the comments section below. If you are new to job servicing business and you want to learn more on how you can build a profitable job servicing business, you can join me on my Job Servicing Mastery Telegram channel. I will leave a link down in the description box below. On the channel, you'll be updated on the latest tips and also more advanced strategies. So that's all for today's video. If there's any video that you want me to do, please also leave them down in the comment section below. Please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!